As a powerful creator, you know to not look for results, because you know that results belong to the world of illusion. You know to look for energy, to monitor energy. You no doubt understand the concept of the snowflake into a snowball. That it begins with a snowflake, and technically there is a place where it is a baseball-sized snowball in between. But energetically, it doesn't really happen. What really occurs is that you have a few pennies in the bank, and all of a sudden, when you are paying yourself first, saving your money, paying yourself first, taking care of yourself, and then paying your bills, all of a sudden you're going to have your money accumulating. If there's a snowflake and a snowflake, it is very quickly becoming much greater. There isn't really an in-between in energy, because you conjure the energy as the powerful creator. And when you do, and you activate that energy, once it gets going, it goes, it flows, and it is. So then it is that bank account, it is that larger snowball. Have you ever noticed that people are said to go from rags to riches? Not from rags to poor to less. It is not exactly gradual. You are what you are, and you might be in the middle, but when there is movement, it tends to, when it's activated, go. So as a powerful creator, you know to monitor the energy, not the results. You don't sit and look at the snowflake and say, a snowflake at a time, this is never going to happen. You are wiser than that. So instead, you look at the snowflake and you say, the energy has begun. And you know to keep taking whatever action has activated that energy. You do not make it happen, you just activate the energy. You just take the aligned action. The universe follows, does the rest. Because the universe manifests who you are. And if your energy is in that snowflake, collecting that snowflake, collecting that penny, whatever amount you can collect, saving it, putting yourself first in this way, then the universe acknowledges that. It sees you, and it manifests your snowflake as a large, perhaps, snowman, a large snowball, an avalanche. The universe sees the money that you're putting aside, and all of a sudden you have more. Because you are a powerful creator that knows how to work with the universe and with the flow of energy.